Victorinox Huntsman. Original Swiss army knife established by car arsenal. Large blade, small blade, good for carving. Small saw, making notches, it was used. Scissors, very good quality. And the other typical Swiss army knife features we have. Let's do some small tests. The large blade, see how it cuts. As you can see, because of the very small but full flat grind blade, it cuts really well. I can tell you that it outperforms many other expensive knives. Look at this. You see how it cuts? It's a quality made Swiss product. Let's see the saw. It's very good for camping, hiking, backpacking, trekking. It's all you need in the forest. Very clean cut. Original Swiss army knife, Huntsman.